Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So today I just want to talk for 2 quick minutes about how to position your cleaning business when you're trying to land a new account. It's very tempting to think, this is kind of an inside baseball. This is kind of an inside the cleaning business conversation today. It's real tempting to think, especially when you're just starting off and you want to land jobs desperately. And that's part of the problem when we're so desperate. It's hard not to feel that way, but it causes a lot of problems. You might think to yourself, my proposal has to be really professional and my price has to be really, that price will get it for me because I think I'm among the lowest and we promised to do all the work. That should do it. But really, the thing is, turn that around a little bit. It's not, my experience has been, and maybe you've noticed this too, it's not so much that the building owner, the property manager is looking for the cheapest price. Sometimes they are, okay, sometimes they are, but many are not. They're afraid. They've been burned so many times with cleaning companies taking care of their building, not showing up, not doing good cleaning, and they're afraid, am I going to make another decision where I bring on some cleaning service and they're going to embarrass me and our company because it's not going to be good cleaning, and then they're going to have to answer, how come you can't hire a good cleaning company to take care of this when it's their responsibility? So a lot of times the building owner is looking for not the cheapest. They're first looking for, do you meet the bar of, are you the safest decision to take care of their problem? Are you do they safely feel, do they trust that you will be able to solve their problem? And then they go, is your price competitive? If you make a good case for proving to them that they go, oh man, this company, this cleaning company they're reputable, the people that they clean, I safely feel that they're going to take care of our problem here. And by the way, their price is okay. It's in the competitive range. Now you've got something. So it's kind of turning that mechanism around. It might be tempting to think they're only looking for the lowest price, but many times they're looking for the safest choice that will solve their problem, whose price is also competitive. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.